In this video, I will show you how to change and edit your avatar on Duolingo in the correct way. We have to open Duolingo first. And right now we should click on our profile here. Next we click on the settings. And right now we click on profile. So click on change avatar or edit it. And right now we can change the skin color. And we can change everything, the body, for example, like this. I'm little skinny, like this. The face, the hair, for example, maybe just like this. If you want to add glasses, mustache, everything, clothes, and background color, and clicks down. And that's all, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.